Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install ARK Survival Evolved game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your end browser and just search for the Steam. And the Steam website will appear on the top, so just open it. And then you are seeing the login option on the right hand. Just click on the login and just log into your account. And if you don't have an account, then just simply create one. Once you created the account, then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Then just download the Steam and install it into your PC. And after that, just open up the Steam, log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type here the ARK Survival Evolved. And this game will appear on the top, so you just need to click on that game. And once you click on that, now here in this page, just scroll down, you will see the option of add to cart. So you can buy this game for the $7. Click on that, click on the view my cart option. And once you click on that, now here just click on the option of continue payment. And then here just pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. Guys, once you pay the amount, then click on the library option. And on the left hand side, you'll find the game, which is the ARK. Just click on that, click on the install. And this is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it. And I will see you guys in the next video.